What is up, guys, and welcome back. And in this video, we will be working up with these things. You can see that we have edit functionality and delete functionality. So let's just go ahead and let's quickly just restrict these functionalities to the role admin. Okay, what we have to do, we just have to come up here and we have to say that if first we have to just come up here to this action here, and we have to say question mark PHP. Okay, and we have to just say if, okay, $_ session, okay, role. If it's set, if $_ session role is equals to admin, okay. If the session we have here is admin, then we're going to be working with the action. Otherwise, the person is not able to just work on the action. So I'm just going to close this PHP right here. And I'm going to close this bracket here. Okay, you can see this right here. So if the session role we have here is for admin, then this action will appear. Otherwise, this action will not appear. Same like this, you have to copy this and you have to come up here where it actually says this edit and delete. Okay, where it says this TD. Okay, so this TD is basically specified for our roles. Okay, so we have to paste this session role and we have to just close it right here. Okay, and now you can see what I'm doing here is that this PHP, if the session role is admin, this PHP will appear, otherwise it will not appear. If I just go ahead and I just save it and I just refresh, you can see that here I get undefined index role. Okay, what have I done here is I have to write here author_role, not only role. Okay, author_role. Just go down and change this to author_role as well. Then up here, save it and refresh. And here you can see that we do get these things. If I just go ahead and I sign myself out, and then I just go ahead and I just log in with the Roger. Okay, I log in with the Roger since he is basically a person who is just an author. Okay, he will be able to, if he just goes to the post.php, you can see that he is author. So if he goes to posts.php, you will see that he will only see these. He will not be able to see all the action. He can post something. He can definitely do these things, but he is not able to actually go ahead and delete or edit any post. Okay, so this is the thing that we are actually restricting from an author and from an admin. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to log myself in from the admin username. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit sign in, and you can see that here I am, and now I can go to the post.php, and you can see this is right here. So same like this, you can see everything is right here. It is working, and we have also given the restrictions. I'm just going to go to, and I'm going to go to the navigation, okay? And I'm going to actually work with the navigation, okay? So that if someone just go to all posts, he should be seeing all the posts. So I just have to just come up here, and I have to open up the nav, okay? This is right here, and now what I have to just add a nav link. Okay, I'm going to say copy. And this is basically going to be post.php. And here is going to be posts, all posts. Okay, and I'm going to come up here, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to refresh. So you can see I just click all posts. You can see that I'm on all posts. If I click dashboard, you can see that I should be redirected to dashboard. And this dashboard should be having the index.php. Okay, I just come up here and I refresh. And I can see I click dashboard, I'm taken to the dashboard. I click all posts, I'm taken to the all posts here. So this is the menu that we have also done. So in the next video, we will be probably working up with these links. Okay, if I just click edit, you can see I'm taken to edit post.php, question mark ID is equals to 7. If I just click delete, I'm taken to delete post.php, question mark ID is equals to 7. So since these files are actually not created, we're going to be creating these files. Okay, and then I'm going to be telling you how you can do it and how you can edit your image, how you can do it and how you can edit your title and description and everything. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.